Hello everyone, we're here doing an instructional video on how to solve Rubik's Cube. So first of all, we mix it up. Doesn't really matter how well you mix it up, or how not mixed up, just mix it up good. This works no matter how much it's mixed up, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, once you've gotten it mixed up quite a bit, pick a color you want. I like blue, so we'll pick blue. Okay, so here we go. Hold on a moment. I have to solve a child crisis. 1 second. Okay, so here we are. Pick your favorite color. Mine is blue, so like I said, we'll pick blue. Put it on the top here. I'd like to have it on the top, facing away from us on the top. So okay, so what we do is you want to get a plus sign going here. And as you do your plus sign, in order to make sure they're in the right place, you make sure the color going along the plus sign is the same as the color in the middle of the one on the side. So this right here is off. This is yellow here, and we got white here. So we need to just rotate this, rotating it. There. Now we already have one for us. It's already got the bottom. It's already lined up with white. Okie doke. So all we have to do is continue with our plus sign. So what we're doing is looking for one in the middle. Here's one in the middle. We want to basically reverse it. So we'll bring it to the bottom. Okay, we got on the bottom here now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate it. If you have it here on the bottom and it's not under here, then you have to do like one extra step. So here's the middle where we're trying to get it up to right here. So we rotate it over. Now it's over here. And then we rotate it up. Now, you see how it's lined up with the red here? Now we simply rotate this up to the face. And now you have it lined up right here with the red here, blue with the white here. Good, we got two. Now we look for another one. Here's another one. We'll bring it up to here. So here we go. First of all, take it down to the bottom. Okay, now since it's right here, we have to do the extra step. So we'll rotate it. Now see, it's orange on the bottom and orange right here. This is what we want to get it close. We want to get it matched up with that. So we'll bring it past the orange. Okay, so now it's over here and the orange is on the bottom. Now when you have this right here, when we rotate this up to join the orange here, it's going to throw off our top, but we'll rotate that back as soon as we can. So we'll rotate it up. Now it's even with the orange here. Then we'll rotate this face up. Now we have it in the right location, and then we'll rotate this back this way to get our white back in position here. So now we got blue here going to orange, good. Blue going to white, good. Blue going to red, good. Now we just need one more. Where's the last one to finish our plus sign? Here we go, it's over here. And it's on the bottom, and this is the easier one, because all you have to do is rotate it till it matches up with the yellow in the middle. So we're looking for yellow, here we go. So we found it. It's here. Now all we have to do is rotate that whole face up to the top. And there we go. That's the first step in solving Rubik's Cube, is getting a plus sign. You don't have to worry about these corners yet. That'll be the next step. And make sure when you have that plus sign, that as the colors come around, blue, that the alternating color corresponds to the color in the middle of the next side. Okay, and you got your plus sign. That's the first step, all lined up, good to go. Thanks for watching, and we're ready for our next step, and we'll show that in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this helps. I know this thing can be frustrating. Okay, bye.